Today I want to talk about why you need to seriously consider signing up for the Amazon Business Program. There's a couple benefits and there's not really a lot of cons that I see in it. I've been using Amazon Business for a while now. The main reason I use it is because when I buy things for my business, whether it be tape or boxes, other packaging material, bigger purchases like printers, computers, camera items, anything like that, I buy it through Amazon Business so that I can keep track of it as a business expense a lot easier than if I order it through my personal and it gets all sort of jumbled around. So that's a big benefit for me, keeping it separate. Another benefit is that you can actually get business discounts, that you get the products cheaper just for having this free account. So let's take a look at the Amazon page and see what it says, answer some frequently asked questions real quick, and then I'll show you the page and sort of what I'm talking about. Okay, so it does exactly what I'm saying that I use it for. You save money, lower costs, and increase visibility here. Get control over non-contract purchases and set guidelines to adhere to policies. This is something if you're like working in a team or something like that. If you do decide to try this out, there is a link down below. I'll also pin it in the comments. It is an affiliate link, so you can click on that and sign up for it. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and it does help me out. So if you want to check this out, be sure to use that link. Okay, let's check out the frequently asked questions here. We'll go over the importance, right? What are the pricing benefits? Well, you get access to business-only pricing. Just by having this other free account, you get access to business-only pricing. Do I need a business ID to register? Nope. However, you do need a unique provincial ID number or corporation number in addition to general businesses info. Info helps us verify your account quicker. So you don't need it to sign up, and you can get going just by following the prompts. It also talks a little bit about Amazon Prime and Business Prime. Now, if you have Amazon Business Prime and you have one member assigned to the Amazon Business Prime account, and you have Prime on your personal account, then you'll get what they call a Prime Duo. So you'll have Prime on both, as long as you just have one person on the business account. If not, then if you have more, then you'll need to register for this Prime Business. And then what email address do you need? Some sort of special business email address? Not really, just needs to be unique to you. So here's the actual page, what it looks like. It's very much just like shopping on Amazon. You also have the Amazon Business app on your phone or your tablet that you can get, your mobile device. So one of the cool things about it though is you can click on like today's deals, office products, break room supplies, IT supplies, and then Savings Hub. You can go over here and check out the discounts that they have exclusively for businesses. So right here you got 15% off batteries, 33% off Amazon basic envelopes. Look at this, even 6% off of Nestle creamers here. Oh look, even a NoCo Boost Plus battery jumper, and you can just see there's all kinds of discounts here that you wouldn't normally get if you didn't have this Amazon business account. So there's several benefits to it. You can keep everything separate. You do get the discounts with it. And those are the two biggest things for me. It's free to set up, you get the discounts, and you can better track the inventory that you get for your business. So thanks for watching. If you like content about reselling specifically, which is what we do mostly on this channel, feel free to drop a sub. Leave a comment down below. Do you have an Amazon business account? Why or why not? If you do decide, remember there is a link down below that'll take you right to it to sign up. So thanks for watching. Have a good one, and I'll catch you all later.